Segment 1, Introduction. This is BrightFlow Intake, a working prototype designed for dental clinics. It helps the clinic handle initial patient inquiries from website chat and telephone calls, collect the information needed for follow-up, check appointment rules, and keep the clinic team in control of final decisions. The goal is not to replace the receptionist. The goal is to respond more quickly, reduce repetitive administrative work, and make sure that no patient inquiry is forgotten. BrightFlow does not diagnose medical conditions, promise treatment, invent prices, or confirm unavailable appointments. Segment 2, Website Chat Intake. We will begin with a patient inquiry submitted through the clinic's website chat. The patient can describe the request naturally, without completing a long and rigid form. In this example, Matthew Attard requests a dental cleaning and asks for Friday, the 24th of July at 11:30 in the morning. The assistant identifies the requested service date and time. It then collects any missing contact information and checks the clinic's actual availability and business rules. The system does not simply generate a convincing answer. It checks opening hours, existing appointments, blocked periods, and the duration required for the selected service. Once the necessary information has been collected, BrightFlow can create an internal appointment hold. This is not yet a final confirmation sent to the patient. The hold reserves the proposed time inside the clinic's operational system while the receptionist keeps control over the final decision. Segment 3. Pending appointment in the operator dashboard. The patient's request now appears in the clinic dashboard as a pending appointment. The inquiry is no longer trapped inside a chat transcript. It has become a structured and actionable record for the clinic team. The operator can review the patient's name, contact details, requested service, proposed appointment time, and current status. The appointment remains marked as pending confirmation. This provides a clear human checkpoint before the clinic makes a final commitment. The receptionist can confirm the appointment after reviewing the request or cancel it when the proposed time is not appropriate. Segment 4, Manual Appointment Entry. BrightFlow also supports the normal work of the reception team. Staff members can add an appointment manually using the same scheduling rules as the automated intake process. In this example, Emma Borg is being added for a checkup from 10 o'clock until 10:30. The available start and end times are calculated from the clinic's opening hours, existing appointments, closures, and blocked periods. This means that automated inquiries and manually entered appointments use one consistent source of availability. Once submitted, the appointment is stored in the clinic system and an internal Google Calendar event is created automatically. Segment 5, Unified Calendar and Human Confirmation. Return to clinic calendar dashboard on July 24th and refresh. The dashboard now combines two different operational paths. Emma's appointment was entered manually by the receptionist. Matthew's appointment originated from the website chatbot and remains pending confirmation. Both are visible in one place without requiring separate spreadsheets, email searches, or message threads. The receptionist can now complete the human review and confirm Matthew's proposed appointment. The status is updated immediately, and the operational record remains available to the clinic team. BrightFlow also creates the corresponding internal Google Calendar event. The event is created only after the appointment hold has been successfully stored. The patient is not automatically added as a calendar attendee and does not receive an uncontrolled calendar invitation. Communication remains under the clinic's control. Segment 6, Voice Call. Introduction.
Hi, thanks for calling Bright Smile Dental Clinic. How can we help today?
Hi, my name is Mark Smith. I would like to arrange a dental checkup this week, preferably in the afternoon. My phone number is +356 7920 4411.
Thank you, Mark. I have your name and phone number. Could you please tell me your preferred date for the dental checkup?
Friday 2 p.m. would be great.
Got it.
Website chat is only one intake channel. BrightFlow can also process inquiries received through a telephone call. During the following call, the caller speaks directly with the voice assistant. The assistant gathers the patient's name, contact information, reason for the inquiry, and preferred appointment timing. A telephone inquiry does not need to create an appointment immediately. When the caller provides only a general time preference, the system creates a callback request for the reception team.
Great. To summarize, Mark Smith would like a dental checkup on Friday at 2 p.m., and the contact number is +35679204411. Is that correct?
Segment 7. Voice Call Register. After the call, the collected information is stored in the call register. This queue is separate from the appointment calendar because a caller may request a morning, an afternoon, or a particular day without selecting an exact available time. The register shows when each call was received, the patient's contact details, the reason for the inquiry, the preferred timing, and the callback status. Unanswered calls remain at the top of the queue. Among those calls, the oldest request is shown first. This prevents a patient who called yesterday from being hidden beneath newer inquiries received today. Maria Attard is shown as an overdue callback. Daniel Borg is a more recent request that is still awaiting contact. Chris Voice has already been contacted. The detail view records when the callback was completed and which operator handled it. This information remains available when another receptionist begins the next shift. The clinic can therefore see that the inquiry was handled, rather than relying on memory or informal notes. Segment 8. Urgent cases. BrightFlow also separates potentially urgent inquiries from ordinary appointment requests. Reports involving severe pain, swelling, trauma, bleeding, infection symptoms, or other emergency concerns are flagged for human review. The system does not attempt to diagnose the patient or automatically process the case as a normal appointment. Instead, it creates an urgent review record and can alert the clinic team through the configured notification channel. Segment 9. Workflow Architecture. Behind the operator interface, the system uses separate workflow paths for lead creation, urgent review, appointment holds, cancellations, rescheduling, calendar synchronization, and staff notifications. This is not a single artificial intelligence prompt connected directly to a calendar. The artificial intelligence interprets the inquiry, while deterministic workflow and database rules control what actions are allowed. For example, the appointment hold is written to the database before an internal Google Calendar event is created. The calendar operation has separate success and failure handling. This prevents the system from presenting an appointment as successfully stored when an integration step has failed. Telephone and chat inquiries are also stored as structured lead records and linked to their original conversations. This creates a traceable operational history for the clinic team. This prototype demonstrates the complete operational loop. A patient submits an inquiry through chat or telephone. BrightFlow collects and structures the relevant information. Appointment rules and availability are checked. The clinic team reviews pending appointments, manages callbacks, and retains control over final confirmation. The next stage would be adapting the services, language, opening hours, escalation rules, notifications, and operator workflow to the real processes of a specific clinic. BrightFlow is designed to assist the clinic team respond consistently and prevent valuable patient inquiries from being lost.